need our love. They need our care. That we want to help. That we are brother and sister. And we are available for everyone.
How hard has it been to change some of
So in the fact that yes, it happens. Girls like really working hard to go to college. From what I really teach them is like so meaningful, you know, that they got inspired from it. So I hope this one share becomes another share and another. So I hope it's going to be very working on together with Miss Universe organization.
Well, I really admire the work that you're doing. It's absolutely wonderful, and it sounds like a lot of hard work to break through that and
It's
change.
so hard. It's really tough. But, you know, we are living, sharing by example. That's why I said to them. So that's why I always give them a motivation, sharing moment. You know, they got inspired. That woman can become someone. I talked to them that we have our first woman president in our country, where we are still developing country, but we have a woman as a president compared to around country in the world, right? So I talked to them that we can do things as long as we believe. I gave them the example because I was born not in, you know, in a royal family that is rich, but I grew up making hard times to make my own career since 14 years old. Until I can standing here, because I was like, before I cannot get everything that I want, now I can, and I just don't want to live it by myself. I want to share. It was started in 2017 when I was just studying together with my friend. We started to do this charity, but when we think it's not only gonna be like this, you know, because we want more, and so we need to make it formal legally. So we made it as an organization in Indonesia. And after I won the competition, from only 20 people or 30 people, it becomes 800 people of Indonesia. So we open national recruitment, and every time we visit Indonesia, we give them the seminar, we give them free healthcare chat, also get access, we teach them how to be independent, empowered as a woman. Because you know, in Indonesia, especially women get the glassing that they cannot work, especially in the homes. Once you can breathe or you can fly.
How does that feel?
It feels like a dream come true, for real. Because this is every woman's dreams in the world, you know, to represent their country, to meet all the beautiful ladies, to share their cows. Because they are not only a woman that is beautiful and pretty, tall, but they have the confidence, they have the cows to fight for and to work together with.
Indonesia, hi! Can you say hi to Peru?
Hello, Peru, love you!
Love you! Nelly.
Indonesia. Thơ Ayuma อายุอินโดนีเซียเฮ้ยอินโดนีเซียอายุทำไมเดี๋ยวก่อนนะอินโดนีเซียโอ้ยแฟชั่นเก๋มากอินโดนีเซีย
Flip in the middle, flip in the middle, flip, 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 split, 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 split.
Ini video Ayuma. Hello there! I'm finally going out of the room. We're here for the Cherry Hill trip and get ready together with Finland and
Cambodia. Say hi. It's so warm and it's so good.